Hello friends, in this video we are going to be looking at how we can white balance our images in Adobe Photoshop. This is Twisted Creative. I like my name is my name. If it's your first time on this channel, please do me a favor. Do me a favor by hitting that subscribe button. Not just hitting that subscribe button, also ring that notification bell so that I don't miss any of the next video. Without wasting much time, let's get into it. If you take a look at this image, it is speed up with colors and we have to take care of it by using our Ctrl J to duplicate this. And after duplicating, we'll just go to filter, then blur, then average. So we have to click on our adjustment layer icon here and choose curves. So we are going to be picking this middle stuff here. Click on our eyedropper here and make sure point is not selected. We'll use 5x5 average pixel. We can disable this now so as we can see the image very well. This is going to be here. Select the middle eyedropper again and click on the darkest spot. Anywhere you feel like it's the darkest spot. So this is what happened. But you can still go in there and check for a spot whereby it's going to give you a favorable color. So have to click and click and click. I think here, no. So I think this should be okay, if not okay. Okay, let's try more. It's greenish. No, I want it to be a little bit reddish. Click here, click here, click here, then here. It's a little bit reddish but not having saturation that much. Okay, here let's just click around and I think this should be okay. Let's see the before and after. This is before, this is after, this is before, this is after. A great job has been done here. If it's not saturated enough, you have to go to your adjustment layer again and choose color balance. Then you can add a little yellow and a little red to balance it up. As you can see, it's done. Let's see the general before and after. Let's just hold this down and this is before and this is after. This is before, this is after. Isn't that amazing? Let's take another step. By this time around, we are going to be using this image. It's having another color entirely. So we'll have to try add something else. This time around, let's use our Ctrl J for duplicating. Then we have to go to our adjustment layer and choose, this time around, let it be, you know, this adjustment layer that we have here from this line to this line, these 4 adjustment layer, they work almost the same. So let's try levels this time. So we are going to be taking this middle eyedropper. We have our sample size at 5x5 average pixel. So we can go ahead and select the middle eyedropper and go to the darkest spot. Okay, let's pick it again and try the close if it works. So this is what we have here. So it is done, automatically done. Let's zoom in. Is there any way we can try and get better color than this? Let's go in here. No, this is bad. Let's go in here and see the darkest spots and boom, it's back. Then we can see click on the clothes and I think this one is yellowish. Let's try somewhere else and somewhere else and somewhere else. Okay, let's try here. No, here is okay. I think it should be okay here. So with this, we don't even need any color to add to it to balance it up. You can just still go to color balance, and if you know it's lacking red a bit, you can still add red or add a little touch of yellow and you can see it like this. Simple and straight, isn't it? I believe we all learned something today. If you find it interesting, helpful and useful, don't forget to hit that like button. And don't forget to leave a comment below telling us the area it has helped, the area it has not, and the area we need to improve on. Like I said earlier, if you are new on this channel, please do me a favor. Do me a favor by hitting that subscribe button. Not just hitting that subscribe button, also ring that notification bell so that you don't miss any of the next video. Thanks for watching today's video. Creative people, keep on creating. Please stay creative. Keep on creating. See you in the next one. Bye for now.